Hi, Chad and Julie with the Knowles Woolsey team. Welcome to our newest listing at 20 Pachter Drive in the highly desirable area of South Barrie.
Absolutely great property here, over 1,300 square feet. Extensive renovations have been done upstairs and downstairs.
Not to mention the in-law capability with a separate entrance. Let's go inside and take a look.
Over 1,300 square feet up here on the main floor. Some really good updates. Quartz countertops in the kitchen. Both bathrooms have been renovated. A nice master bedroom with a good size ensuite and walk-in closet. You have a bedroom behind us. It could be a third bedroom, an office, or a den, whatever you'd like.
This home is perfectly configured for multi-generational living with a separate entrance, shared access to the laundry space. This lower level boasts two really great sized bedrooms and a fully remodeled bathroom. You know, Chad, there really is something to be said about this location. Your moments to the highway, it's perfect for commuting.
Absolutely, it checks off most of the boxes. Newer roof, furnace, and windows, you can't go wrong. For more information on this listing and more like, visit our website.